single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Heard people in Texas without food, so send prayers to them. I heard some crazy stories about Texas, about a $9,000 electric bill, and they've been shut off for a week. What do you all think about that? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Send those prayers to Texas. I want to see my YouTube channel full of prayer for Texas. And for every like, I'm going to give a quarter to Texas.
Turn for you want more.
I'm not too big on, so I'm not sure if she's just making this for me or is she
Pizza for you.
special pizza for me. Peppers on there. Look at that red pepper. Might add some orange and yellow on the chalkboard. Inside a pizza is a thing to do before you even start cooking. Ooh, look at them pepperonis all sitting in there, nice and along. It's coming along. Ooh, look at all them peppers.
And red pepper.
Where's I bought $5?
25.
25. I might have to come down here and eat.
Now we're going to add your cheese.
Pepper cheese. My favorite's the white cheese. We're all about having fun.
The more the cheese, the more sweet.
Baby, I'm not sure which one I'm more in love with. The only sausage she gets is this sausage. Nice person. Like I said, if it was me, it'd just go. If you sold pizza, I think it would depend on who's making it. Me. You know what I mean? Pizza. How much I'm in love with my pepperonis. And so in love with my pizza.
In the oven.
And it's finally got preheated to 350. Boom. And be right back once it gets done. Ooh, slide that baby right in there. Oh yeah. So we're gonna see what it looks like. Ooh, that steam. Oh yeah, look at that. Now doesn't that look good? If you like this video, make sure you all like and subscribe and leave a comment of what your favorite pizza is.